Hello friends, welcome to the Analytics Planet. Today we are going to talk about how we can create a map chart in a Tableau. So for the map chart, we have taken this small data set which include the region, country, total profit and units sold. As you can see in country, we have the format of geographical unit, right? So if you will go here and you will see that it has a geographical role which specify country and region. So what will happen whenever you use country as a dimension, right? And when you will go to the sheet, you will see that Tableau will automatically generate two more measures, which is called latitude and longitude. So latitude and longitude, which specify that this data set contain the country. So this data set is applicable to create the map chart or map graph in a Tableau. So let's get started. How you can create the map chart. So first of all, you need to do that you need to drag the longitude into the columns and latitude into the rows. As you can see, it automatically create the map. Although if not, then you can also select the map option from this show me icon. Now you need to drag the country to the label because the longitude and latitude will define on the basis of country which is available in the dimensions. So you can see that the country is automatically specified for each map area. Now this dot is specify the country, but this dot or circle we need to specify by the unit sold. So we need to drag this unit sold to the size. So depend on the size of the unit sold, this graph or this circle will appear. So you can see the size of the circle has been increased, but there is no as such huge difference between the circle because the unit sold which we have is very little difference between them. So what we can do, we need to click on this unit sold option and you can select the size by range. Currently it is automatically selected. So once you will select by range, you can see the size is very small for around 50 sold and then it is increasing a little bit. If you will click on the OK, then you can see size of the circle has been increased or decreased as per the number of units sold. Now, here you can select the color or here you can increase or decrease the transparency of the color. So it will be good if you have a cluster of objects or circle in the same place because you can see where we have a number of cluster, the overlapping can easily, you can see the overlapping of the object. And here you can select the border as well. So let me select the transparency of other color. This is small one. Let me select the lighter color of the red because I have selected the darker color for the border. So like this, you can see the circle. Now you can increase the size of the circle as well a bit so that your graph will look very nice and clear. Now you can see this is the graph and there is a small icon, right? So this is something which called a fix the map. If I have selected this fix, then map is fixed. So always try to do not select. It should be unselected. Why? Let me show you with the example of filter. So here is a region. You can make a region as a filter, right? And in filter, you can select, always you select this option which is called custom and show apply button. So the best part of this apply and cancel button is that whenever you will select anything, the graph will not change. It will change once you will click on the apply button. So let's take, if I have selected Asia, then graph is not changed. If I will select apply, then automatically graph has been changed. So this option is very helpful in terms of filtering out the few parameter from the graphs. So now you can see, I can see only the units sold into the Asia region, but this graph is fixed. If you will uncheck this one, then it will automatically enlarge the graph of the map, right? Which is very helpful during the analysis. So let's take another example. Currently it is unchecked. So let me select Europe and I am unselecting the Asia. If I will click apply, then it will automatically go to the Europe region, right? So this is very helpful during the analysis and during the filtering out the region for the map area. So this fixed map area always should be unselected, so that map will automatically enlarge as per the selection of filters. So let me select all region, and if I will click on the apply, then it will see the all region for the whole map. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Please subscribe the channel and learn more about the analytics.